I'm disappointed that the sentence was run consecutive. I plan to appeal that. I personally don't think Megan Boswell at 69 years old is a danger to anyone.
Why do you think that?
She has no prior criminal history. She's denied her involvement in this. I just don't believe that she would be a danger. I don't think the facts of this case really show that.
Today was the first time that we had heard from Megan, to my account, since this all began back in 2020. Why did she decide to get on the stand today?
I think today she wanted to get up and say how she felt about the process and tell people that she didn't kill Evelyn.
You filed a motion for a new trial. Is that something you're still, pursuing?
Absolutely. Those normally take a while. I filed that today, I think, of the jury verdict, and that it's really just done to make sure you meet the time frame, you don't miss filing it timely. But we'll need a transcript. This was a 10 or 11-day trial, so there's a lot of things that'll have to be gone through before we can actually have a hearing on that.
So what's next for you now?
We'll wait on the transcript. Hopefully we'll have that in January or sometime thereabouts, and then we'll do the motion for new trial. If that's denied, we'll do an appeal to the Court of Criminal Appeals in Knoxville.
There's no winners or losers in cases like this, but ultimately at the end of the day, from the state's perspective, we wanted to see that justice was done. Obviously we can't bring baby Evelyn back. We can't do that, but I think the judge sent a pretty strong message to the community and to people who decide they want to murder their children, that type of behavior is certainly not going to be tolerated here in Sullivan County. So, we were pleased. We were seeking consecutive sentencing, which is what we hoped he would impose. And ultimately, based on the evidence in the case, I think correctly found that it was proper in this case.